Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about functions in MATLAB. MATLAB provides us a lot of built-in function, but you can create your own function, and that function will be separated from your code. If you want to execute a certain code again and again, but you don't need to write down again and again. Just define a function separately and just call it from your code where you want to execute it. So what is the syntax of function? Here it is. Go to the editor command. For example, go to the new script and you need to write down function, then write down a value that will return your value. For example, I called it a, and here your function name, so I called it funct, right? And here it has an argument x, for example, right? Now inside the function, what I want to do, I want just multiply it. So for example, I will say that a is equal to s asterisk s, right? And now how I will find it, how I will pass the argument x. For this I will need to go to the command window x. First of all, just say this with the name of your function, funct. So press Ctrl S. Oh shit, I press Ctrl D, press Ctrl S, and it is a save file name as funct. So this must be same as of your function name. Now what I want to do, I say that w is equal to 9. I want to find the square, or I want to multiply 9 with 9, so I called it 9. Now I said that d is equal to f funct, and I want to pass the variable w or the argument w. So here it is, I have w9 and the function value d, that is 81, that it has multiplied it. What if you have two values? For example, you want to find the addition as well. So for example, I want to find the addition as well. So how I will pass the arguments? So here I need to write down a and then write down d, right? Here it is. What I will make change here, I will just change a, for example, or you can define the variable whatever you want. So d, or I say that f g, and that is equal to funct and argument w. The w is defined by a value of 9. So I paused it. So now just press F, it has an 81, and press G, it has a value of 81 as well. This return the first value of this. So if you want to return the second value, just write down FG. It should return both the values, 18 and 81. Here this is 81 and this is 18. This is the after the addition, and this is after the multiplication. So this was a very short tutorial how you will use function in MATLAB. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's a kind request to you, kindly do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.